Well, I did this race earlier and didn't make it to the first corner, so we're trying again. I've qualified okay, but I think I'm very much top of Division 2, looking at the times, rather than in Division 1. So we're going already.
Green flag, green flag.
We've gone. So I just want to get round this first corner, really. I'm on the outside this time, which might be a safer place to be. We'll see. But yeah, looking at the times, there's sort of a big gap between me and the next one. So 6th I was, and then 5th was like almost a second quicker. So I guess we'll just have to try and keep up with the pack as best we can. We've got a lot further than last time, so I'm much happier. So I haven't really done a race in traffic around here yet. So this is all new. So I've dropped a couple of spots, but based on the last race, this is a win already. So let's just see if we can get through first lap and then see where we settle out. There's only 6 laps, so there's not a lot of chance. Sort of 2 places a lap, really, the 2 long straights. Good places to overtake. This black car's going a bit slow, isn't it? So he's got by, and now he's not really holding on to those in front, which is what I wanted to do. So whether we can be close coming down Conrod Straight. Get him at the chase maybe, or something like that. He's hit the wall. We're a bit far back. I mean, he'll probably close a little bit, won't he, because of slipstream. I'm hoping I will as well. Yeah, we're a bit further back than I wanted to be there. Let's see how it shakes out anyway. But yeah, we're already doing a hell of a lot better than we did last time. Easy to outbrake yourself there, as a few did behind by the looks of it. We're still in the queue, aren't we? At least we've got a bit of breathing space behind.
34.382. There's an incident behind.
Someone off behind, are they? So that yellow car behind, we're dropping a little bit. We've got a better run through that corner. We're being dropped by the black car now a little bit. So hopefully the slipstream will drag us up a little bit. Yeah. But maybe we are keeping in the train. Qualifying, I never actually get to 5th coming up that straight. It's all in 4th, but with the slipstream it helps. Okay, we closed up a bit there. Drop the guy behind, and I've got an itch. Oh, better. So yeah, we're right with him, but this is all sort of one line really around here. Really anywhere to overtake. He's hit the wall again, that black car. And again. Yeah, I'm being very cautious through there, aren't I? I guess I ought to go through there a bit quicker. Let's see if we can close them back down again. Far back now. We'll close up under braking. Yeah, just broke the second margin, haven't we? Let's close back up again. Losing up a bit again.
Ten minutes to go.
We're with them again, aren't we? We're with them up the hill anyway.
4, 3, 5.
So no one's getting away, are they, really? Which is nice. We're all together here, but the only downside is it might encourage a few moves. Could end in disaster. I don't know, maybe 1 and 2 are getting away? Not sure. Seem to be a little bit, don't they?
Go right.
There is a disaster for somebody.
Left side.
Oh, you're an idiot.
I can't see anything here, so
Clear.
Bro, I'm not controlling it, dude. My fucking car's messed up.
okay, I didn't want to let that yellow car through. Well, did we make up a couple of spots there? Not sure. Not sure how many people went off, but we kept out of trouble. It has brought everyone else up to us, hasn't it? See if we can get over the mountain and down the hill safely. And then we'll know if we've got a chance to get any more. Guy behind seems pretty keen, doesn't he? Got away a little bit there. I've been struggling to get on the power here. Guy ahead hit the wall. Okay, and these two are going to be side by side. Into the braking area, I guess. Who do we follow? Guy behind seems pretty keen as well, doesn't he?
Left side. Clear on the left.
Thought about it, didn't he?
Car right. You're on the left. 3 wide.
3 wide.
Clear all around. Car right. Clear on the right.
Okay.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 29.794. 33.039.
Okay, I just wanted to get through there cleanly and get a good run up the hill. Have we got a good run up the hill? We sort of have, haven't we? Yeah, I could see that white car. Looked like he was going to hit me then. Okay, we got up to 6. He's at the wall. I don't know what he's playing at. Not concentrating. I don't know if he's got a problem or what. Need to get past him, don't we, really? But where? Going to be down the hill, isn't it? How much time are we going to lose that? Hit me or the wall? Couldn't tell.
Car on your left. Stay on the right. Clear.
Well,
Car right.
not sure that's good
Stay on the
etiquette.
left. No
Just
damage.
bashing me out of the way.
Clear.
But I got bashed out of the way. So I don't know. I don't know. Is that good etiquette? I could see the guy was coming down. I mean, he didn't, yeah. Yeah, not overly happy with that, but what can I do? To go back past, won't I?
Five minutes to go.
Go up the inside, I think. Back where we started, aren't we?
The car in P2 just set the fastest lap. 29.603. 33.075.
Need to wipe the window. Change gear instead of turning more wipers off. I mean, these guys are pretty robust, aren't they? So I guess there's always a chance. If they're robust with each other, there might be a problem for them. It's all pretty much one line again around here. Slow through there, only the red car. It's almost brake then. Just letting the yellow car catch up again. Luca. Unsighted there. Didn't see that curb.
There's an incident ahead.
Incident ahead. Okay, someone hit the wall or something. So that's a bad place for an incident down here. You end up with the track completely blocked, don't you? Okay, we've got a better run through that. We're in the 30s, we're not doing too bad. We're not too far off the leaders, are we? Slipstream's helping. Be nice to make up another place, wouldn't it? Really?
There's an incident ahead.
Okay, well. I'll take that one and that one.
Clear. White flag. Stay smooth.
And that one.
3. Just set the fastest.
Ask and you shall receive. Looks like, doesn't it?
Right side. Still there. Hold your line. Clear on the right. 31.541.
Okay. Well, if I can get to the right-hander ahead, then I should be fine across the top of the mountain. And then it's just getting down the straights. We're back to 6th again. And those two ahead are battling as well, look. Go up at my pace as well. That red car got through. Is that someone else, is it? Am I imagining things?
The car looks fine.
Okay, so we've got no damage or anything, so let's see if we can hold them off then. This is much better.
Gaining on the car in front. The gap is 2.4 seconds.
Okay. We don't have to defend into this corner then, so that's good. Have we got enough? 0.75. I mean, they're going to close, aren't they, with Slipstream? They're closing already, and I'm too far back to get a Slipstream, so they are going to be close. I just need to not outbrake myself. They're closing. Close. Not close enough, I don't think. And the line does come out very quickly, so...
Car stop on the left.
Yay! We've done it. Oh, well, that's much better. Much better. Okay, here's a start then. So we got away okay, but we got a bit beaten up on the inside. I was conscious of the last race where I didn't even make it to the first corner. So I was a bit too cautious, I think. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. Anyway, then what happened? So what have we got then? People going into the wall. Yep, there's going to be a lot of this, I think. Then what have we got? Wall. Yeah, he's hit the wall. And again, blimey, that was a big hit. And then this is going to be a wall as well, isn't it? Yeah, quite a big hit. And again, yeah, there's a lot of walls being hit on this track. And then I don't know what he did. And then was this... No, we were ahead, so this is behind us. So, oh dear, just a bit of a bump. And then is this going to be hitting the wall? Yeah, just came across too much. And then what have we got? This is going to be another wall. Got to be careful of the walls. Well, yeah, plenty of room there, and he's still at the wall, so I don't know what he's doing. And is this the two... Is this ahead of us? No, this is... Ooh. Yes, it looks like... Yeah, I think we then come up behind, don't we? So I think we're behind this lot, and they go off, don't they? This is it, yeah. So we just come through. You should see us. Where's us? Coming through. There we go. There we are, yeah. Made it. Oh, my goodness. Great recovery, mate. What on earth are you doing? Reversing across the track. Goodness sake. You're still doing it. Oh, my God. Unbelievable. Well, what a muppet. Dear, oh dear. There'll be another wall, I think. Yeah, another wall. Yeah, there we go. What's this going to be then? So I'm behind this guy. I don't remember. Oh, yeah, he just didn't... He wasn't concentrating, was he? Lovely paint scheme, though. I really like his paint scheme. Another wall. It's going to be another wall, isn't it? So it's the guy behind me. No, this is where... I mean, I gave him room, and then... Oh, that's netcode, isn't it, actually? So I gave the white car room so I could see he was coming, and then the other guy took the advantage and followed him through. Oh, that's... I mean, that should be a report, shouldn't it? That should be a report. Anyway, what's he going to do? Hit the wall, hit the curb, going to hit the wall. I don't know why people come across quite so far. Maybe it's the quickest way, but... And there's the guys behind me. Oh dear, unlucky. Yeah, that is a lovely, lovely paint scheme, but unlucky. And now what's this going to be? Got a bit damaged, that yellow car, and he's hit the wall again. This is going to be the wall again as well, isn't it? Inside. There you go. Another wall. No. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, once you get out of shape, that's really difficult. And this is going to be another wall, I'm guessing. Oh, on the way in. And on the way out. Well done. And again. I think he'd learn his lesson. Obviously not. Okay. And that's it, I think. So that was top split, although I felt I was in Division 2. But actually, we kept up okay, didn't we? I'm quite pleased with that. Got some safety rating, got some I rating. So good news after the first 2 days of this week. Finally got some good news. So pleased with that. Best lap 29.3. Leaders doing 29.4, 29.6, 29.9. We managed a 30.4. I don't think we could have gone much faster than that. I think that was our limit. We're probably just not brave enough over the mountain, are we? But I'm happy with that. Started 6th, finished 6th. So I guess, yeah, all that effort to not go anywhere, but I'm pleased. I think we did pretty well. And only a 1x as well, which is pretty good over the mountain at Bathurst. So, okay, well, I got that monkey off my back then. So hopefully the rest of the week is going to be even better. And if you want to see that, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, join our Discord, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.